experiment today. So as you can see, there's a bunch of snow on the ground. I think there's about 3 inches on my driveway and probably 2 inches there on the cul-de-sac. Okay, we're gonna do try and go with this charger in every mode there is. So right now it's on auto mode, right? I'm gonna put it around 1500, 2000, maybe up to 3000 RPM and see if it will go. Okay, auto mode. My tripod is positioned out there. Let's give it a go. Will this charger go in this much snow? We'll see. All right. If you don't believe how much snow there is, that's how much snow there is. So about 3 inches, I think, more or less. But it's an experiment, so we'll see how it goes. Okay. Will the charger go? Mode about 1500 to 2000 RPM. All right, let's see if it'll go. First try, auto mode. That was deep snow. It barely went anywhere. We're gonna try it on sport mode this time. See if it goes anywhere. This is the second try. Sport mode. sliding around on sport mode. Okay, track mode. Hope it's still recording. I think it is. We're gonna go on track mode this time. Okay, let's see if it goes. Okay, I think it's still recording. Third try, track mode. This is the third try, track mode. So surprisingly, track mode was so much better than auto mode. So I found something here. Track mode was so much easier to get off the snow because probably the traction was halfway off, and it worked. It's a lot better. I don't know if you want to use it all the time, but if you want to get out on it, track mode is better. Obviously, it makes sense to turn off the traction control, right? So you can get better grip. So that is it. Track mode is better. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and back it up in the driveway so you guys can see what it does. So as you saw on the video, and I'm also gonna post the dash cam footage along with it, in auto mode it was struggling trying to get off that deep snow. Again, the tires are Michelin Pilot Sport all season 4s, and it was struggling getting off the line. In the sport mode, it was struggling a bit. There was a lot more sliding around, and I don't know if I captured it in the video, but as I turned around the outside of the cul-de-sac, it was an easy donut to get around. There was a lot more sliding in sport mode. Surprisingly, even to my surprise, was the track mode had so much better traction, which, if I think about it, you probably will comment down below that because of the traction probably halfway off, so it was getting more of the power down to the tires, thereby allowing it to, remove the snow from underneath, get to the ground, and move the car along. And when I did the little U-ey over there, it did less sliding around. So it's common sense that when you're stuck in that situation, and if you can, get some sort of grip, you turn off traction control, right? It's common sense to do that. But I just wanted to make sure I try out the modes and how they actually feel when driving in this, inclement road condition. In this situation, there's about maybe 2, 3, even in some areas 4 inches of snow drift. It's quite deep. It's fresh snow. So snowed quite a bit last night. In fact, it probably take me an hour to shovel my driveway clean. So something that I found out that hopefully that helps you guys out. If you like this video, smash that like button. That will help this video a lot in the YouTube algorithm, as you guys know, and share it so people know if they have hellcats. I'm probably the only one who's trying to do this on my hellcat, so it's kind of crazy. But anyways, I like driving this car. That's why I drive it. And subscribe, please. That would help the channel a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video so I can put it out there. So hopefully you like it. I enjoyed doing it. I was kind of a little worried there on auto mode that I was gonna get stuck and I have to call my son to push me out of that predicament. But you saw the video, how it performs. So these tires are excellent. They're not as good as my snow tires, but like I mentioned in my earlier videos, they will do the job. It will get you out in a pinch. You get caught somewhere and it snowed and you need to get home, what have you. It will get you out. Don't panic. Just, let the car do its thing. Let the tire do its thing. Okay? So hopefully you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.